MSA University. I'm sure we're all aware of what's happening right now with the coronavirus. And if we can learn anything from what's happening today, it's that a lot of misinformation or misconceptions can spread online about certain diseases, which can cause a panic. So it's very important to raise awareness about these diseases, and it's our responsibility to deliver the right information. I would like to do the same with Ebola virus. A small introduction about Ebola virus first. It is a very rare virus, however, it is considered one of the top 3 deadliest viruses in the world. It first appeared in Sudan and the Democratic Republic of Congo in 1976. It's considered one of the deadliest viruses because its average mortality rate is about 50%, which is a very high percentage. So far, only 6 strains of the virus have been identified. However, the strain that is considered the most fatal and that resulted in the largest outbreak is the Ebola Virus strain. This is the geographic distribution of the virus. Even though it started in Africa, it spread to other countries in Europe and the US and Russia. However, these countries are considered very minor cases. From 1 to 5 people only were infected, and usually it was due to accidents in virology labs, whether it was a scientist that accidentally infected herself with the virus or a lab exploded and caused the virus to be released. However, this is a map of the worst Ebola virus outbreak, like I said before, which was due to the Ebola virus strain. It affected mostly countries in West Africa. The countries that were most harmed were Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea. It happened from 2014 to 2016, where 28,000 cases were infected, and this led to the death of 11,000 patients. The symptoms of the virus are many, however, most common of which are a fever, body aches, pain in the muscles, diarrhea. It also causes a lot of damage to the immune system and to the immune organs. It causes the levels of the cells that are responsible for clotting the blood to drop very low, and this causes uncontrollable bleeding. Whether internally or externally, the patients bleed uncontrollably and constantly because their levels of blood clotting cells are very low. So how did the virus transmit in the first place? It is believed that it originated in fruit bats, and from the bats, it transferred to other wild animals, such as monkeys or deer. And then from these wild animals, it got into contact with other humans. So the human had direct contact with these infected wild animals, whether through eating them or through handling infected waste. Once a human acquires the virus, however, it becomes so much easier to transfer it to other humans, which is human-to-human transmission. And this is also done through direct contact with fluids or blood or the secretions of someone that's infected. Even though this disease has been around for more than 40 years now, unfortunately there hasn't been a known treatment or vaccine for it. However, there are a couple of vaccines that are under investigation. There was an FDA-approved vaccine that was actually used in clinical trials and was applied in one of the latest outbreaks from 2018 to 2019 in the Democratic Republic of Congo. This vaccine was given to 16,000 patients, and it was proven to be safe and protective against the Ebola virus. However, it is not commercially licensed yet. It is not available in the market because several investigations still need to be conducted on this vaccine to make sure that it is not harmful in the long run. My references include the World Health Organization, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, and the US Food and Drug Administration. Thank you for listening.